Hello, welcome to our geological zone. Welcome to all from Karthik Tiwari. Now, our today's topic is geological objectives. So, these are the different questions related to different universities of India. Question number 1: what are tektites? Tektite क्या होते हैं? So, the simple answer is tektite is a glassy meteorite, means is one of the important type of meteorite. Now, question 2: which one of the following radioactive isotope method is not suitable for dating the Precambrian rocks? So there are 4 options in front of you: A. C14, B. RVSR method, C. SMND method, and 4th UPB method. So question is, which one of the following radioactive isotope method is not suitable for dating the Precambrian rock? So rubidium strontium method is not suitable for the dating of Precambrian rocks. Now question number 3: which one of the following represent the composition of stony iron meteorite? So there are no options, but the simple chemical composition of stony iron meteorite is nickel plus iron plus silicate, means having nickel, iron and silicate. Next question: which one of the following pairs makes the bulk composition of sun? देखिए गाइस, यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस तो दिए नहीं है, डायरेक्टली हम आंसर्स की बात करें क्योंकि समय बहुत लगेगा. सो द कंपोजिशन ऑफ सन, bulk composition of sun, it mainly having the hydrogen and helium. It's a very easy question. Next: which one of the following is a plate boundary as well as strike slip fault? So the answer is San Andreas fault. Question number 6: who proposed that the convection current in atmosphere cause the lithospheric plate movement? Means it proposed by Arthur Holmes. So the answer is Arthur Holmes. Next one: which of the following agent form Rocky Mountain? So we already discussed the chart of geomorphology. The answer is glacial, means the answer is ice. Now on 8: which one of the following mineral does not exhibit pleochroism? इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा मिनरल है जो प्लियोक्रोइज्म को शो नहीं करता? बायोटाइट, हॉर्नब्लेंड, गार्नेट एंड क्लोराइड. So the answer is garnet, because garnet is isotropic in nature. Now next: which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? The question belongs to environmental geology. A. Carbon dioxide, B. Sulfur dioxide, A. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane, C. Sulfur dioxide, and D. Nitrogen. So greenhouse gas consisting of carbon dioxide, methane and nitrogen, but not sulfur dioxide. So the answer is sulfur dioxide. Now on 10, cytosine. This is a question of BHU, previous year question of BHU. Cytosine in DNA combines with, the answer is guanine. Next question: the number of electrons contained in one coulomb of charge equal to, so it's simple answer, 6.25 into 10 raised to power 18. Next, question number 12. It's a very simple question. Granite is a plutonic igneous rock. plutonic igneous intrusive rock. Next question. Which one of the following gases present in the stratosphere that filters out some of the sun's ultraviolet light and provides an effective shield against radiation damage to living things? It's a very simple answer. Ozone. Ozone gases. It's chlorofluorocarbon. Next, coarse grain sediments are transported by. So coarse grain sediments are transported by saltation process. There are different processes like rolling, then solution, collision, saltation. Saltation process is applicable for the coarse grain sediments are transported. For the transportation of coarse grain sediments. On 15, ripple marks. Ripple marks occurs on the. So ripple marks occurs on the upper surface. On the upper surface, not inner. So guys, we discussed 15 questions and their answers today. Tomorrow, we'll deal with question number 16 to 30. If you like these objective questions or geological objectives, you will share this channel, the link of channel, and please like and comment. Thanks a lot.